So the same idea holds with the IT. You need to put this in place, but typical business entity doesn't want to hear about it. So it's usually
I would say the biggest one,
so you're dealing with all that, and you have to make it satisfy them all. The other thing too is that one of the important things you just brought up in saying before is about data cleanliness, meaning looking at your data you have. There is no reason to have 20 years worth of data actively available to you because now that's available to a hacker. You know, you'd have to look at and analyze the data you have so that if there was an attack, you're minimizing it. So maybe you just have to use 2 years worth. But if you need to go back, there's a way, but there might be another clip or so, and you go to get to the history because it's put off in an archive somewhere. You don't know that. But the thing is, again, it's got to be such that your data is secure.
It's connected to what's called an MQTT broker, typical way, right? It's a means of access to data for this. That's fine.
nice, when you take one hacker, have enough patience, and now we just corrupt them. Great job, guys.